We're gonna miss it!
Hurry, everyone!
I'm running!
Gate 14!
Come on! Come on! Gate closes in 4 minutes!
James, slow down. She's going to... I can't. Dad, my shoe!
Don't stop! Don't stop! Don't stop! Almost there!
Josh, do not stop! Whoa, my shoe! Oh no! Wait, stop everyone!
What's wrong?
Josh,
Dad, my shoe!
leave it.
I can't leave mine.
I got it, let's go! Gate 14, we made IT, there's still someone here!
Wait! Please wait!
We made it, please!
Thank you!
5 of you?
Yes, sorry, yes.
Boarding passes, please. Dad, where are the boarding passes? You're up.
Couldn't sleep, too excited.
Or too nervous.
Maybe both. Good morning, little one. Ready for your first flight?
I'll take that as a yes. How are you today?
Agoo.
James, did you pack Ella's extra clothes in the carry-on?
Yes.
The changing mat?
Yes.
The-
Mary, I packed everything on the list. I checked it twice.
I know, I just wanna...
Check it a third time?
Yes.
Then check it, I'll make you a tea. Your mom checks everything 3 times, did you know that?
Goo goo gaga.
I know. I love that about her too.
Passports, check. Tickets, check. Lily's milk, yes. Snacks for the kids, yes. Okay, we can do this.
Mom, Josh won't wake up.
Tell him I said get up now, we leave in 1 hour. I told him that, he said 2 more minutes.
Mira, go back upstairs and tell him no more
No more minutes. Dad, Mira hit me! I didn't hit you, I woke you up. Same thing.
Both of you, come downstairs in 10 minutes, or we leave without you. See? I handle the mornings.
You handle the threats, I handle everything else.
Fair.
How long is the flight? 1 hour and 40 minutes.
That's short.
Very short.
Will there be food? Mom packed food. I mean real food, plain food.
Plain food is real food, Josh. But is it good?
It's fine.
Just fine?
Josh, you've never been on a plane.
I know, that's why I'm asking.
It's still dark outside.
We leave very early, so we have the whole day when we arrive.
What will we do first?
First, we find the hotel, get the room, then...
Then food?
Then food, yes.
Good. Dad?
Hmm?
Is this our first holiday as a family with Ella?
Yes, I think it is.
She won't remember it. No, but we will. That's okay then.
Good morning! How many bags are you checking today?
Just the one big bag.
I'm sorry, the limit is 23 kilograms. Your bag is 1.3 kilos over. 1.3 kilos?
We'll figure it out.
There's an overweight fee, 20 pounds.
20 pounds for 1.3 kilos?
Those are the rules, I'm afraid.
I thought I weighed it at home.
You did.
I must have missed something.
It's okay, we'll figure it out. Are we in trouble?
Dad is doing his thinking face. Is that good? Sometimes.
Can we take things out?
Of course, there's a bench over there.
Okay, what can we lose?
Not my football boots. Josh, Dad said we might go to a park.
I said maybe, Josh.
A maybe is not a no.
Dad, your big camera.
I need that.
You have your phone.
The camera is better.
The camera is heavy. She's right, dear.
Maybe you're right.
We do have the phone.
Fine. Still over.
The boots, take the boots.
I thought you wanted...
I don't want to miss the plane because of boots, Dad. Perfect, you're all set.
Good one.
I know.
Okay, listen. Everyone takes off their shoes. Phones and tablets go in the tray, jackets off.
My belt too?
Yes, belt too.
Why?
It's for security. Everyone has to. Because the metal sets off the alarm.
The alarm? What alarm?
The scanner alarm, it beeps if you have metal.
And then what happens?
Then a security officer checks you.
Like, checks you how?
Josh, belt off. We can talk about this later.
It's okay, sweetie. We're almost there.
Do I take Ella's shoes off?
Yes, please.
She thinks it's a game.
I'm okay.
You were fine.
I know. I knew that.
Ma'am, please step to the side. Yes, sorry,
It's okay.
Sir, please wait on the other side.
It's okay. I'm right here.
Is this yours, ma'am? Oh, no.
The water bottle.
I forgot.
No, I packed the bag. That was me.
James,
I'm sorry. I should have checked.
it's all right. It happens every day. You'll need to leave it here or go back and check it in.
How long to go back and check it?
20 minutes, at least.
We leave it.
This way, ma'am.
Hello to you too.
Dad, the alarm went off because of you.
Because I packed the bag. Yes.
So it was your fault.
Yes, Josh. Okay, I just wanted to know.
Josh, don't. I'm not doing anything.
It's fine, Mira. He's right. My fault. Let's move. We need to walk fast.
How fast?
The time.
Oh, no.
Backpacks on, tight. We're going to move quickly. Everyone stays together, okay?
Are we running?
We're walking very fast.
That sounds like running.
Josh.
I'm just saying.
Okay, Dad.
She thinks this is fun.
Tell her it is.
Come on! Come on! Gate closes in 4 minutes!
Come on!
Whoa, my shoe.
Oh no! Wait, stop everyone!
What's wrong?
Josh,
Dad, my shoe!
leave it.
I can't leave mine.
I got it, let's go! Gate 14! We made it! There's still someone here!
Wait, please, wait!
Okay, hold on. Let me check.
Please, don't let it leave!
We ran the whole way.
5 of you?
Yes, sorry. Yes.
Boarding passes, please. Dad, where are the boarding passes?
Where are the boarding passes?
Front pocket of the carry-on.
Here. Thank you.
All clear. Enjoy your flight.
Dad, look at this.
Josh.
The shade goes up and down and up.
Yes, I can see.
And this button,
Do not press that button.
what does it do?
It calls the flight attendant.
Why would you want to?
Josh, hands in your lap.
What if I need something?
You ask me and I press it.
But what if?
Josh.
Fine.
Hello. Is everyone comfortable?
Yes, thank you. Could we get some water for my wife?
Of course. And for the little one?
She's fine, thank you.
First flight?
For all of us together, yes.
How exciting. Are you excited? We almost didn't make it. Dad forgot the water bottle, the bag was too heavy, and I lost my shoe.
Oh my goodness.
But we made it.
Sorry about him.
Don't apologize. He's wonderful.
Hey,
What?
good job today. You were really good.
I lost my shoe.
You gave up your football boots without being asked twice. That was good.
Royer, I might ask for them back when we land.
Fair enough.
Mom, look at Dad and Josh.
I see.
They look the same. They do. Is that a good thing? That is a very good thing. Thank you for watching today. Did you understand everything?
Today's story had many good English words. Let's say some together.
Luggage, check-in, security, boarding. And overweight because the bag was too heavy.
Because I packed it.
I'm just saying what happened, Dad.
Leave a comment, tell us, have you ever almost missed a flight?
Or lost a shoe at the airport? Or forgotten the water bottle?
James.
It's a good question.
See you in the next story. Bye! She wants to say bye too.